Hello from Slovenia again. First of all, I want to say thank you for all your good wishes for my health. I'm feeling better now, and these are dried results from our last 4 experiments. This was the last one, and this is the one that I like the most of all. This is the 3rd attempt, I think. It's almost look like, you see, this flower falling like on the waterfall or something. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They are completely dry, as you see, and they are okay. And this is the 2nd one that I dipped with glove at the end. And the 1st one is daisy kind of flower. So I was kind of happy with these paintings, but today I will try something different again. I will pour my base coat of white first. Sorry, I still have some difficulties with my health, but I'm feeling much better now. But I apologize if I will have some difficulties while I'm talking. I really enjoy these experiments, so I will definitely try something else and else and else, because as you know, I just love flowers, and I just experiment how to get different shapes with different techniques. And though today I will not use the same colors, because I have enough of this combination. So today I will use phtalocyan blue, and here I have a magenta, in my squeeze bottle, and I will use dioxazine purple, and this pearl copper gold in the middle, I think, and a little bit of my cadmium yellow in the middle too, I think, and of course metallic white and 2 greens. So I will start with blue, I think, and today I will do this kind of flower shape, as I sometimes with my dips do, and see what we will get if we do this, because I didn't do this kind of pour with zip back, or not pour, dip, and I will add a little of metallic white here, or maybe I should add it the outside, I don't know. We will see what we will get. And this area, no, dioxazine purple, I will leave this white space between. Whoops. And magenta. Maybe I will do like this, and oh, I want to add my yellow, I don't know, maybe like this, and some this pearl copper gold, just here in the middle. Don't want this, too much of this, and maybe just a touch of this metallic white here. And I should be careful with my green, because sometimes I added just too much green and then I regret, because I didn't like it. So I will try to be a little more careful with greens. And this was green gold and some this lemon green, yellow green, no lemon green. What am I talking? And what if I add some of metallic white here between greens too? Let's see what will happen. I think that I have enough paint, and today I will put my zip. Just a second. Okay. I will put it on my canvas and spread a little bit, and then I will take a straw and blow air in it and then lift, and we will see if this makes any difference, because I get this blanc air spaces that was full of air and I couldn't get it out, so I will try to do it that way and see if this makes any difference or not. If I try to do it like this. And now I will just blow some air. Not too much, just enough to lift it Maybe I didn't add enough air. We will see. Oh, I love the colors, but I don't know if I like this design. I will torch this a little bit. I think that this one on the, just a second, because I have to do this too. I forget to show you what was left on my plastic bag from this one of our previous attempts. I will show it to you just a second, just to pop these air bubbles and see if maybe I will like it more when I get something. So this is on my zip bag. It's dry and it's beautiful, so I will try to use this from today's too, because I think that I like this what is left on the plastic bag more than I like this on the canvas. But as I always say, we can't get everything. Sometimes just you have to be happy with something, or you don't have to be. It's your choice. I like it, not completely. I like this blue lacing, this metallic white lacing on the blue and on the green too, because I get some nice effects. I will show you. And kind of like this center, so I will leave it. But this one on the plastic bag is, I will show it to you, it's just gorgeous. Why this isn't on the canvas? But it's how it is. So I will take you now for a close-up. I like this combination, but it's not completely what I was going for. This is our canvas. Oops, I want to show you this lacing, and on the green, and I love this center. It's almost like I don't know, that this part here is coming out of, I don't know, I like it. You see this lacing on the green, it's beautiful too. It's tiny cells, and this white here, I just love it. But I love this one much more. see, this is on the plastic. Just love this center, it's gorgeous. I'm partly happy, or what is the word for this? We'll definitely try this again. It is kind of nice, but not completely what I was going for. But some of you will be mad at me again because I have something in my head, and if I don't get it, I sometimes just don't like it at the first leg, or how it's called, but then sometimes grow to me, and this one I kind of like it, so I'm happy for the first attempt on this kind of dip too, and I will try it again. So this was it for today, and please tell me what you think. Leave the comment, subscribe if you didn't yet, share on Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you want if you want, and see you on the next one. Bye!